So, got this thing humming away. It's making the runner profiles of both the top and the bottom. I'm not doing it at any breakneck speeds or anything, just kind of sitting there and let it do its job, and it's real safe. And then I got the other side designed for the secondary injectors, so we'll flip this whole block over and get it kind of all done in one shot. And then I'm gonna rip it in half in a bandsaw and I'll have two parts. So that's gonna happen here in a while. I'm gonna finish programming the next side, and then when that's running, actually we got a new water tank. Got rid of that big ugly thing in the front, so we got a new water tank, but it's not gonna fit where the old one is. We're gonna move the battery down on the center. I gotta make a big weight plate, and then cut some of this hacked up shit out, and the water tank's gonna go here. So just keep on grinding. Hey everybody, welcome back to some Nub TV. It's been a little while. Haven't made any videos of the Smurf. I've recorded maybe 20 hours of stuff, and I've decided that if I try to get every video the way I want, and me not being a video editor and not good on the video side of stuff yet, it takes way too long, and it just slows the work and progress down that I need to get done. So as you seen a minute ago, we got some progress going on the intake manifold, and it's still going today. And what I got now, well, I finished up yesterday, but we're gonna go to op 2 of the runners, and I don't like the program that I made. Like, it's not efficient on the machining standpoint, but what it's actually gonna allow me to do is come over here and cut a bunch of crap off the front of the car and just move some stuff around and get rid of some old shit that got built that I didn't like. So when I built the front of this car originally, I came out and cut the whole front of the car off, and I'd never done that before, which once you cut the front of a car off, you lose everything. Like, you're lost, right? You're flying in outer space. So some stuff that got made was just to get everything hanging and up and going, and it worked, and it's not the prettiest in the world, but car got down the track, it did its thing, and just time to improve on some stuff that you really don't like. So what is going to happen here is this ugly program, all these yellow lines are like rapid movements. I mean, this is only an hour, but this is like a safe program that is gonna there will be a couple errors here, or collisions, sorry. I already roughed this side out, so that's not gonna show in the simulation, but I just gotta rough this thing out and work on the car, and then we're gonna smooth it out, which takes even longer. And when I get done, we're gonna have, hopefully, an intake manifold ready to kind of weld together by the end of the day. Ooh, I should avoid those injector faces so it doesn't do those. I'm gonna see if I can fix that, and then I'm gonna get back at it. So I am gonna correct that little thing on the injector bungs, because I want a clean face there when I'm machining for the injectors. See you in a little bit. So the mill is still humming away. And you saw me get busy with the grinder. I only had one 4.5-inch cutoff wheel for the actual grinder, so I had to use the die grinder. But this thing got on a healthy little diet here. And then what I'm gonna do is draw up a weight plate, and then I got a buddy who does some fab work and is trying to get his own thing going, so I'm gonna send it over to him and get it plasma cut out. So maybe I'll talk to him, and maybe this week we'll go do a little field trip, pick it up and see what he's got going over there. So that's kind of what I got going. I don't know where the intake manifold's gonna end up tonight. I got to figure out how to fixture it to get the injectors drilled out or machined out. I don't know what route I'm going yet. Anyway, that's kind of what I got going, and yeah, have a good Sunday, everybody.